Today's Subhashita. Please repeat after me. Anityam Yavanam Rupam.
Anityam Yavanam Rupam.
Jeevitam Dravya Sanchayaha.
Jeevitam Dravya Sanchayaha.
Arogyam Priyasamvaso.
Arogyam Priyasamvaso.
Grudhyedeshu na panditaha.
Grudhyedeshu na panditaha.
Youthfulness, attractive appearance, existence, acquisition of wealth, health, and the company of virtuous people, all these are transient. A wise person will not crave for them.
Yavana, Rupa, Jivita, Dhanasangraha, Arogya, ಪ್ರಿಯಜನ ಸಹವಾಸ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಅನಿತ್ಯ. ಪಂಡಿತನು ಇವುಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಆಸೆ ಪಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ.